11 Best Live Streaming Apps to Make Money and Get Paid to Stream. Live streaming has been the new gold rush in recent years, with more and more people turning to it to make money and get paid. These apps will allow you to monetize your live stream by charging viewers for exclusive content. The article includes insights on how successful streams are being made, different ways in which viewers can be charged for viewing the live stream, and other goodies that come with these apps. Why live streaming? There are many reasons why people choose to live stream. Live streaming allows people to connect with their audience in real time. This can create a more personal connection between the streamer and their viewers. It also allows people to interact with their audience and answer any questions they may have. Another reason why people choose to live stream is because it can be a great way to make money. Streamers can earn money from donations, sponsorships, and advertisements. They can also get paid to stream by platforms such as Twitch and YouTube. Overall, live streaming is a great way to connect with an audience and make money. What is Periscope? Periscope is a live streaming app that allows users to broadcast themselves to the world. Periscope is owned by Twitter, and it is one of the most popular live streaming apps available. Periscope allows users to stream live video from their phones or computers. They can also choose to make their streams available for only certain people to watch. Periscope has a number of features that make it unique among live streaming apps. For example, Periscope allows users to interact with their viewers in real time. Viewers can comment on the stream, and the broadcaster can respond directly. This makes for a more interactive and engaging experience for both the broadcaster and the viewer. Periscope also allows broadcasters to save their streams so that they can be watched later. This is a great feature for those who want to share their streams with a wider audience, or for those who want to save their streams for future reference. Overall, Periscope is a great live streaming app with a lot of unique features. It is one of the best ways to interact with your audience in real time and build a following. How much can you earn on Twitch? How much can you earn on Twitch? This is a common question asked by many people who are looking to get into live streaming. The answer varies depending on a number of factors, such as the number of viewers you have and the type of content you stream. Twitch is a live streaming platform that allows users to stream their gameplay or other content for others to watch. Twitch also has a partner program that allows users to make money from their streams. To be a part of the Twitch partner program, you need to have an average of 3 or more viewers per stream and have a consistent schedule. If you are accepted into the Twitch partner program, you will be able to make money from your streams in several ways. One way is through advertisements. Advertisements can be played before, during, or after your stream. You will earn money based on how many people view the ad. Another way to make money is through subscriptions. Subscribers pay a monthly fee to support your channel and receive exclusive benefits, such as ad-free viewing and access to exclusive emotes. You will earn a portion of this subscription fee. Finally, you can also make money through donations from your viewers. Donations can be made directly to. What are YouTube, Facebook live streams for? YouTube and Facebook live streams can be used for a variety of purposes. For example, you can use them to stream live events, give tutorials, or show off your gaming skills. You can also use them to make money and get paid to stream. There are a few different ways that you can make money from live streaming. One way is to collect donations from viewers. Another way is to sell products or services through your stream. You could also sign up for a live streaming platform that pays you for your content. If you want to get paid to stream, it's important to choose the right platform. YouTube and Facebook are both good choices, as they have a large audience and plenty of features to help you monetize your content. You could also consider using a dedicated live streaming platform like Twitch or Mixer. Whichever platform you choose, make sure it offers the features and payment options that you need. How does Mixer work? Mixer is a live streaming app that allows users to earn money by streaming their gameplay. Mixer streams can be viewed on the Mixer website or through the Mixer app. To start earning money on Mixer, users need to sign up for an account and connect their gaming console or PC. Once they are set up, they can start streaming their gameplay. Mixer will then share a portion of the revenue generated from advertisements with the streamer. Streamers can also earn tips from viewers. Viewers can watch Mixer streams for free. However, they can also choose to support their favorite streamers by subscribing to their channel or donating money. Mixer is a great way for gamers to make money by doing something they love. It is also a great way for viewers to support their favorite gamers. Twitch streaming tips. If you're looking to get started with live streaming and make some money doing it, then Twitch is a great platform to use. Here are some tips to help you get started. 1. Use high-quality equipment. Using high-quality equipment will help your streams look and sound professional, which will attract more viewers. 2. Be interactive with your viewers. Don't just sit there and talk to the camera. Interact with your viewers and make them feel like they're part of the show. 3. Stream regularly. Viewers will only stick around if they know when to expect new content from you, so make sure to stream on a regular schedule. 4. Promote your streams. Let people know when you're going live by promoting your streams on social media and other platforms. 5. Have fun. If you're not enjoying yourself, then your viewers won't either. So make sure to have fun and enjoy the experience. Conclusion. If you're looking for a way to make money by live streaming, then you should definitely check out the apps on this list. With these apps, you can get paid to stream games, music, sports, and other events. So if you're looking for a way to make some extra cash, then be sure to give one of these apps a try. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to catch up on the next Wall Street's Breakfast episode.